Gir National Park has some awesome animals you won't believe. This incredible place in India is home to some super cool creatures. You might see a funny monkey called a bonnet macaque, or a powerful Indian leopard. Keep your eyes peeled for the sneaky striped hyena and the super cute chinkara, which is like a small deer. There are also slithery snakes like the Indian rock python, and a really colorful bird called the Indian pitta. And guess what? You might even see a huge mugger crocodile, a graceful sandbar deer, and a funny-looking nilgai, which is kind of like a cow and a deer mixed together. Oh, and I almost forgot. The majestic crested serpent eagle soars through the sky there too. So what are you waiting for? Gir National Park is ready for you.